Here we go, baby. It's the first time I'm driving a car in Jamaica. Okay, here we go. Got it back out here. Is this one? Where's all the brakes? Do I got the emergency brake on? Where's the emergency brake on? You got the emergency brake on? What's this emergency brake? My mind's clicking. Why do I hear the emergency brake? Okay. This is brakes on. Oh, shit, that's squeaking. No. His car was not doing this a minute ago. Is your brake on? I don't know. I got it. Senior Ross. Here we go, y'all. I'm driving Jamaica. Hit the fence. Turn. Alright, here we go. I am driving in Jamaica. Driving. Trying not to tear up a man's car. So we're gonna go down. Look at me driving in Jamaica. I want to back in perfectly. You feel me? So nobody be behind me trying to be. That's close enough. I thought that was nothing. And park. So that was the lesson. I'm smoking dry on your first lesson in Jamaica.